welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I make videos in relation to clothing, try-on hauls in particular for petite girls, as well as home and living hauls as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely keep watching, hit that subscribe button, as well as turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. In today's video, we've actually got a haul from Temu. Temu is a new online marketplace where you can find a huge selection of items for all your needs. So many items. In fact, I actually spent a few days on it because there was just so much to go through. But in saying that, it is so simple to use. There's so many different categories. You can also use the search function as well as a Temu app, which I will go through in a bit. And you'll be able to find a variety of products to suit your needs at affordable prices. To access more discounts and savings, I would definitely recommend downloading the app. Download the Temu app through the link in the description box to get 50% off your first $50 order, or redeem my code DKE5598 on the Temu app within the hour to claim. Plus, you'll discover so much more hidden finds inside the Temu app. And of course, I will be leaving everything that I've mentioned in the description down below as well, so if you see anything that you like, you know exactly where to grab it. I've got my packages here, so let's jump straight into today's video. Let's start off with these dispenser bottles. The first one is the reusable dispenser set. I got this in the color amber, and this comes in a 3-pack of 500 mils. So these bottles are made for shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And what I like about it is that it's already got the imprints on it, so you don't have to worry about replacing the labels. I love getting bottles like these. Not only are they reusable, but it also makes your home look a bit more organized, coherent, and just overall neater and minimalistic. So that was for the bathroom, and I got 2 more for the kitchen. This one is the refillable soap dispenser with a waterproof label. This comes in 2 size options, 300 and 500. Again, I got the 500 mils. Very nice. So this comes with 4 labels. It's got hand soap, dish soap, lotion and mouthwash. For me, I'll be using the hand and dish soap stickers. These stickers are also waterproof as well. Next, something completely different. I got a couple of hats. The first one is a reversible bucket hat. Pretty sure this is in 1 size. I love this because it's essentially 2 hats in one. The faux fur side is so soft. It feels like a plushy soft toy, and it is such a beautiful neutral color, perfect for winter. This is another hat, but it is a straw sun hat, and they've got the colour white. It also comes in black, beige and khaki as well. This is so cute. Quality feels so nice. I just thought it was really pretty and elegant. There's also 2 little strings inside that you can help to tighten it as well. Really pretty, love the details, and the flower on the front has these cute little beads on it as well. So next I'm going to do some pet stuff because I'm really excited to have a look. First one, just something small. I got this little pet bandana. There's quite a few different colours and styles, and I got the colour green, which is the avocado. I love it, so cute. This does come in 1 size. Material feels quite thick as well, so it's not thin and flimsy. This is a pet water bottle. Honestly, we have so many, but I wanted something that's smaller and a bit more portable. So this one's called the Portable Mushroom Shaped Pet Water Bottle. These come in 3 colors, pink, white, and light green. I got the color white. This is so cute, exactly what I needed. I only have a small dog, so I don't need to be carrying such big bottles around all the time. It's got a convenient little strap as well, and it's so cute with the little mushroom lid where they can drink from. Open the lid, there's a little dispenser button inside. The body of the bottle is detachable and it's made of durable plastic material which is easy to clean. It's also BPA free. The perfect travel size. Next one here is actually an elevated dog bowl. I tried to look online again, but apparently it's sold out or it's now discontinued or something, so you won't be able to find it online, but there are so many other selections of elevated dog bowls online, so let's have a look at this one. Comes deconstructed. This little cute paw marks on it, 2 stainless steel bowls, and the great thing is you can adjust the height of these. I love it, it's really nice and cute, it's such a good height. I feel like this colour goes with majority of home decor so it doesn't look out of place. This is apparently 8 storage containers in this little box. It's called the 8 pieces BPA free airtight food storage containers with labels. With this, there's also an option to select the 4 piece as well. I've put the lids on a few of them. I'm not going to do it for all, but the lids are the exact same size, so it doesn't matter which lid for which box. And you've got your little stickers along with a pen as well, so you can label each individual container. The sizes are so good as well. It comes in 4 different sizes. It's just perfect for organizing your pantry, your fridge, your kitchen, just to store things in. The large one is 2 litres. Second is 1.6 litres. Third one 1.2 litres, and the small one is 0.8 litres. Okay, so this next one is a little sewing machine gadget. It's called the Portable Handheld Sewing Machine. I thought this was pretty cool. No idea how to use it, but it does come with instructions as well as a bobbin with thread and needles to get you started. This is cordless as well, super convenient, and it's powered by batteries. I will have to sit down and figure this out, but apparently it sews through something as thick as denim as well as delicates like silk. So handy. The reason I got it is because we do have an Airbnb holiday house, and I thought it would be just a great small gadget to leave there in case there's linen or sheets or anything that need repairing on the spot. Okay, so the last few things are actually some beauty related items. The first one is a pack of 4 eyebrow pencils. It's called the Waterproof 4-Tip Eyebrow Pencil. Comes in a variety of shades and mine is grey brown. Apparently these are long lasting, they're waterproof, and it makes filling in your eyebrows a lot easier. Seems pretty straightforward. I can't wait to try them. These are a couple of hair pieces. First one is a ponytail in the colour deep grey. This is really good if you want to thicken or lengthen your ponytail a little bit. It's not too heavy, and you basically clip it onto your existing ponytail, wrap this around, and that's it. It's so simple. The length of this is 12 inches and there's 5 different shades for you to choose from. This is a hair topper. Basically, it's just the top section of the hair. It's not a whole wig, so it's not too heavy. It comes in different colors as well, and my one is in the color coffee. My mum really wanted this, so I thought I'd get her something to try. As you get older, your hair does go a bit thinner. It also helps to cover up the grays, I guess. I think this is a really nice natural color. The length is about 30 centimeters or 12 inches long. It's made with 100% human hair. So you can wash and style this as normal. And you've got these 3 little clips to secure it onto your hair. And that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Connect with me in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Follow me on Insta for more content. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now and take care.